Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious custard at home using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 4 large egg yolks, 2 cups of whole milk, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's combine our ingredients. In a bowl, whisk the egg yolks, sugar, and cornstarch until the mixture is light and creamy. Meanwhile, gently heat the milk in a saucepan until it's warm but not boiling. Slowly pour about 1/3 of the warm milk into the egg mixture, whisking constantly to temper the eggs. This prevents them from cooking too quickly. Next, pour the entire tempered mixture back into the saucepan with the remaining milk. Continue to cook over medium-low heat, stirring constantly with a whisk or wooden spoon. This constant stirring is key to preventing lumps and ensuring even cooking. The custard will gradually thicken, taking about 5 to 7 minutes, until it coats the back of a spoon beautifully. Once thickened, remove the custard from the heat and stir in the vanilla extract. For an extra silky smooth texture, strain the custard through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl. Cover the surface directly with plastic wrap to prevent a skin from forming as it cools. Chill your delicious homemade custard in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours before serving. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.